Want to boost your bank account? Time to invest. Here is your chance to use real stock market data, updated daily, to try your investment skills in Qual. Let's start by clicking on the Invest menu item. Now select a stock exchange. And now the stock that you are interested in. This will show a chart of the stock data for the past 30 days. You can view chart data up to 1080 days. Under the chart is a description of the stock, including the high and low in the date range you selected. You can research the company by clicking on the research link. Once you've researched your stock, you can find out how much it will cost to purchase shares. Enter in the number of shares, and press the Enter key. This will show you how much purchasing the shares will cost. If the cost to purchase seems reasonable, click on the Purchase this stock button. If you have enough money in your bank, you will be congratulated on your purchase. Now you will see your purchase in your investment history. If you purchase more stocks, they will also show in your investment history. Every day, you can easily check the current value of your stocks. You can sell any of your stocks by clicking on the Sell button. This will update your selling price, and the profit that you made. You can view these transactions by going back to the Life menu, and clicking on Bank. You can quickly see a chart of your stock by clicking on its link, and then selecting the number of days. If you are a community owner, you can click on the Settings button to select which exchanges you want to be available, and to edit any stock in the fictitious QOL stock exchange.
Enjoy the journey at QOL.Gold.